influencer family, and when we're not doing product reviews, we're right here at Disney World. And today we're at the Magic Kingdom. We want to show you guys some of the fall decorations that they have for Halloween. Lizzie wants to see Mickey Mouse or Tinkerbell, right? And she's dressed up as Carl today. Check out the cool glasses. And she's got the old man, what's it say, old man? Watch out, old man coming through shirt. Colty's wearing his, Mickey dressed up as a ghost. What do you want to do today, Colt?
See Mickey.
You want to see Mickey too? Do you want to eat anything special? Like what? Popcorn. So that's our missions today. See Mickey, eat popcorn, check out fall decorations, and give you guys a little insight into what's happening at Magic Kingdom right now.
And rate food.
Yeah. So if you do come to Magic Kingdom, make sure you check out the train station. They have the cool little cartoons, the little old-fashioned mini movies up there, and that is also the entrance for the train, of course. That's going to take you all the way to the back of the park by Splash Mountain. So don't overlook the train station. All right, Colty, we're going to come show you how to watch old cartoons, how they used to watch them back in the day. Look, that's a cartoon machine in there. Is it playing, Lizzie?
Yeah.
Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Are you super excited? All right, Lizzie, look inside. You ready? Is that cool? How would you rate it on a 1 to 10?
100 out of 30.
100 out of 40. Look. Got the Dapper Dans up here. You want to go see the Dapper Dans? Maybe? Let's go see the Dapper Dans. Check out this hot dog. It's falling off both sides of the bun. Yummy. Time to eat lunch. So I have a question.
Yeah.
How's the popcorn at Disney? You said you want to be a food critic. Criticize the popcorn. Is it good? Is it bad? Does it have enough butter? Is it too much salt?
8 out of 10.
Okay, what do you like about it? How can you describe the taste?
Buttery.
Buttery? Does it have salt? Would you recommend the Disney popcorn?
Yes.
We definitely recommend it, but if you buy one bucket, keep bringing it back and get refills so you don't have to buy a new bucket every time, and you save a lot of money, right? Okay, so the hot dog was quite nice, very large, but not a problem to eat. And if you come to Disney in the fall, especially close to Halloween, you've got to go to the Haunted Mansion. Colty's been wanting to ride this for the last couple weeks, so we're bringing him here. You ready to go ride Haunted Mansion?
I want to see that girl with the fishbowl on her head.
The girl with the Madame Leota?
Yeah.
Okay, so Haunted Mansion is next on our fall trip. Haunted. Wow! They're blowing fireworks off in the daytime. Colty, are you ready for Haunted Mansion?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let's get in your band. You ready? Say it's Haunted Mansion time. Oh, check it out.
It's Huggy Wuggy.
The Haunted Mansion. And look, it's the ghost carriage with the ghost horse. Oh yeah, we'll see that on the way out. Ooh, are you scared?
No.
No? Of course not. All right, come on, let's go. All right, Lizzie.
I didn't know what else to do.
So we just Haunted Mansion. What's your favorite part about Haunted Mansion?
Whenever we go like outside and
The Mr. Toad tombstone?
no,
What?
whenever like all the ghosts come like in the backyard and then just sing.
Oh, okay.
Whatever that part was called.
And I noticed for the first time today, like in the bridal room, all the husbands' heads are cut off as you pass by the pictures, which is kind of creepy. And there was like a creature from Pandora in the graveyard area. See if you can find that.
And I got it.
But next we're going to be doing Winnie the Pooh, one of Colty's absolute favorite rides. He loves jumping with Tigger. Careful! Up and down, up and down.
Never reach that breeze. Gathered together to say,
Hooray! Hooray!
Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh restaurant, Winnie the Pooh restaurant.
All right, so we just finished with Winnie the Pooh, so Colty's quite happy. And now we are heading over towards Tomorrowland to ride Buzz Lightyear to infinity
And beyond.
We're getting through a lot of rides today. Today's a Halloween party night, and it closes at 6 o'clock to the public. So there's not a lot of people on vacation that come here on those days because they don't want to get kicked out at 6 o'clock. So that's a good time for pass holders like us to come in and get a whole bunch done. As you can tell, we've been in the park maybe an hour, and we've already ridden 3 rides, and we're heading 3, right? Or 2? 2 rides. We're going to our 3rd ride. All right, let's go see who gets the high score today on Buzz Lightyear. We have left the past and we have made it to Tomorrowland, the land of the future. And there it is, Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger Spin, Star Command headquarters. Ready, right here. To infinity and beyond.
First line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannon.
Get these.
Get ready for hyperspace. Maximum acceleration. Check the skies, boy.
Good job, Colty. Carter lost. I got 319. Carter got 234. You got a lot, huh? Good job. Come on, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. How many did you get?
I'll tell you after you tell me.
I saw yours, 274. 319. Oh, he don't like that. He don't like it. Colty, look, there's Stitch. Look, he's up here on stage. You want to go see him?
Yeah.
Hurry, let's go. There's Lizzie. She's the world's biggest Stitch fan ever. Let's hear your Stitch voice.
Ohana is my family. Ohana is my family.
Can you say it louder?
Ohana is my family.
Okay, there you go. Hurry, Colty. Come say hi to him. Tell him, say, hang loose, dude. Do your Stitch voice for Stitch.
Ohana is my family.
He likes it. Okay, well, let me hear your Stitch voice.
Look on the pond.
That's awesome. Give me 5, dude. Lizzie, it's the Princess Parade. Do you think they have Tinkerbell? Who is it, Lizzie?
Tinkerbell!
And who else?
Dragon!
It's a fire-breathing dragon! I'll bet you $5 that he blows fire in front of the castle. Whoa! Do you think he's gonna blow fire in front of the castle?
Yeah, I think.
All right, let's see. Here it goes! Fire! Whoa! All right, so we just wrapped up our Buzz Lightyear adventure. Daddy won, as usual. Well, I usually lose Buzz Lightyear, to be honest. Carter normally wins that win, but I got lucky today and I won it. So now we're heading and we're into Adventureland and we're gonna go ride pirates. Arr. Let's hear your pirate song.
Yar har, look the seas.
What?
Yar har, look the seas. I forgot it.
Yo ho, a
Oh,
pirate's
no.
life for me. Arr.
Yar har, look the seas. Look at the bathroom, look at me. Yar yar. Yar har, look at the seas. Oh, you are a pirate.
Look, Colty, it's pirates. Daddy's favorite. Pirate song.
Yo ho, pirates like for me.
Arr, good job. You are a true buccaneer. There it is, the world's famous Pirates of the Caribbean.
Maybe Jack.
Is Jack over here? Nope. When Jack's working, Jack is on, but Jack's not working, so Jack's off. Arr, to the lightning lane, mateys.
R to the like mateys.
The only way to ride. All right, I think they got you.